is it back to business as usual?
It is, at long last. Let me just take you back a few days, first of all, Martine. Back to the turn of the year. Warmest New Year's Day on record there in London, 16.3 Celsius, quite widely into the mid-teens right across the country. Well, the weather's had a good word with itself and it feels like January at long last, but it's cold out there and a bit of a shock to the system this lunchtime. Temperatures only a few degrees above freezing in one or two spots, and for some there is snow on the ground as well, particularly in the northern half of Scotland. This was King Usi this afternoon, and it's here across northern Scotland where frequent snow showers combining with strong to severe gale force winds, making for some very hazard travel conditions and some pretty rough seas as well.
Hello. It's been another fairly cloudy and mild day so far, with a few spots of rain. There has been a bit of brightness breaking through. This was the picture in Guildford a little bit earlier on. And actually, over the next couple of days, we're going to see brighter skies developing. So certainly more sunshine in the forecast, but it's turning colder. You'll certainly notice that by day and by night, with a return to frosts as well.
Hello there. Well, it is certainly looking very changeable over the next few days. Where we do have the best of any brightness, that's where we will tend to have somewhat chillier temperatures. So this is the situation over the coming days. This is the air mass chart. You can see the oranges and yellows indicating warmer conditions, the blues and greens indicating colder, and we'll flip-flop between the two as we head through the rest of this week and into the weekend as well.
Hi there, Clive. Remember that very mild start to the year? How things change. We've seen some really cold air that's worked its way southwards across the UK, or at least much colder than the air we had several days ago. It brought some snow in places. That was the scene in County Down.
Jen, as we saw there, it's been wet weather for them, hasn't it? Is it going to continue?
It's going to get a bit drier, but you're right. It has been quite a gloomy day out there. Good evening to you. But the good news is when we get rain and it all clears through, it gives us some beautiful sunsets. And our weather watchers have been capturing them over the last couple of hours or so. Some incredible pictures across the region. These purple skies that we've seen as our weather front has moved through. And it has been continuing these pictures, these lovely apocalyptic almost scenes that we've had over the last couple of hours. So thank you for sending those pictures in. If you'd like to send a weather watcher picture, bbc.co.uk/weather watchers. Now tomorrow will be a much drier day with some sunshine after a fairly chilly start.
Hello again. Left at a record-breaking start to the new year with temperatures over 16 degrees in places. Winter certainly made a comeback today. It has been feeling pretty raw out there. Now, as we go through the next few days, overall it is going to be staying very cold out there. There will be some showers or longer spells of rain, which could be of sleet and snow in places, and at times it will once again be turning rather windy.